This is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm going to show you how to pick up stitches, and I'm going to be picking up and purling. But what I wanted you to notice first of all is this edge right here is where I have slipped the first stitch of every row so that I can get a nice pickup edge. There's no purl bumps on here, and you can see really nice knit stitches that are very easy to pick up. But let me show you. I'm going to turn this the other way, and this pattern asks me to pick up and purl 10 stitches. So if you go along here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'll make my 10th one in here. So here's how I do it. I go ahead and insert my needle into the stitch that I'm going to be picking up. Notice there's two bars. All right, and then I'm going to purl that stitch. So when it says to pick up and knit or pick up and purl, this is actually what it's asking you to do. So I have 2, 3, 4, oops, I got a little extra yarn on there. You don't want to get the extra yarn. Just want to get both bars of that stitch. Let me show you. I'm looking for both bars, see? Both bars for each one of the stitches. And what that does, if you look on the other side here, do you see how your pickup is a perfect pickup and you're maintaining this stitch right below the pickup? So that's how you would get a perfect pickup and purl stitch.